What's up guys, Andrew here from Dropshipping Kings. So this video is about 5 things I hate about eBay dropshipping. First of all, check this out, we're in Nicaragua. Raining by the pool, but I'm sat under a tree, so well protected. So 5 things I hate about eBay dropshipping. But before we get too negative, the next video I'm going to do is about 9 things I love about eBay dropshipping. So, you know, I don't want you to leave this video on a downer, thinking fuck eBay dropshipping, I don't want to do that. Yeah, because it's actually great. But so 5 things I hate about eBay dropshipping. Number 1 is that eBay has a lot of control over our situation. eBay has a lot of control. We have to do what eBay wants. There's less freedom for us as a seller, as a dropshipper in that sense. eBay can shut us down at any point. So I don't really like that. I like to have my own control. So one thing I don't like is, yeah, eBay has a lot of control over us. As opposed to Shopify dropshipping, it's our own store, it's our own platform. We can deal with the customers how we want kind of thing. We're responsible for our own traffic. eBay gives us the traffic. That's why eBay is great. Getting customers is generally the hard part. eBay gives them to us. So anyway, number 2. Got my little pen and paper here. Number 2 is, yeah, so with eBay, it seems that you can only really grow to a certain amount. Like eBay, I've heard about this from people who are more experienced than me. eBay will only give you a certain amount of traffic in order to control your sales. They don't want you to get too big because that's risky for them. If you get too big, if you have more orders than you can handle, then you're more likely to give a worse experience for the customer. If you've got too much work that you can't handle everything, that's obviously why you start off with a smaller seller limit, and then gradually they'll raise it as long as you prove yourself that you're doing well, you're doing what eBay wants, that you can handle it, you can handle the volume you're currently getting, perhaps you're ready for more volume. So number 3 is that eBay is unpredictable. They can and do seem to shut people down randomly. You know, there's almost always a reason why, you know, you might get an MC011 restriction, which is like the biggest, baddest restriction you can get. Nobody wants that. It could take weeks to appeal it. There's generally a reason why people get it. Sometimes it seems like it's random. Even good sellers can get this. But eBay is unpredictable. Yeah, it's unpredictable. You're never that safe as an eBay dropshipper or a seller, we could say. Number 4, yeah, this one's fucking annoying, especially during the period when everybody was getting throttled, as in the visibility of their listings was all of a sudden overnight just being reduced by 95%. That happened to me in October. At the time I was like the only person on YouTube talking about it. But it's getting a bit wet. But yeah, so eBay doesn't say what's happening. They're quite secretive about a lot of things. You ring up the customer service, and not only do they not tell you the truth, but it's like most of the customer service don't even actually know what's actually happening within eBay. Only like some of the higher ups actually know. eBay doesn't tell you everything, you know. They won't tell you why you get restricted. They just won't. Whether they know or not. You know, obviously some people know, but not everyone. And so it's like, you know, how can I give eBay what they want if they don't tell us everything, you know? But at the same time, if they tell us everything, tell us what they're looking for, we can kind of bypass it at the same time. So I understand why they would want to be secretive, keep some things to themselves. So that was number 4. Number 5, the last one, is that one thing I don't like about eBay is that it's always changing. They're kind of doing new updates, creating new rules, we could say. Whether it's that you have to upload tracking by certain points or stuff like that. eBay's always changing, so you I feel I have to constantly be learning, checking the Facebook groups, that kind of thing, speaking with people. Whereas it would be nice to set up my eBay store, get it rolling, get some employees taking care of everything, and then that's just happening, creating some income for myself, and then I'm just going off and doing something else. I would like to be able to do that, but I can't necessarily do that because I've got to keep up to date with what's happening with eBay. So that's that. So thank you for watching, subscribe to my channel, and next video is about what I love about eBay. So there's actually more. This one, what I hate is 5 points. What I love is actually 9 points. So that's nice, isn't it? So that'll be the next video. Keep your eyes out for that. Thank you and goodbye.